Hi everyone, I'm Fred, the creator of Amused Zone. In every field of activity, there are people whose skills, passion and dedication to their work go beyond the ordinary. Today we will go into the wonderful world of labor achievements and plunge into an exciting journey to meet the most unique professional workers whose skill and professionalism amazes and inspires. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave your comments after watching the video. Let's start our exciting journey into the world of unique professional workers right now. Doing work together is more fun, and even more so on the roof, where you need to be careful and careful. Would you like such a fence in your yard? Whoever installs it is clearly hiding something from prying eyes. The future is gradually coming these days, and conventional gasoline gas stations are increasingly being replaced by gas stations for electric cars. With the help of a stencil, you can make a wall similar to a brick one, which cannot be distinguished from a real one. These guys have tried very hard when laying large granite tiles, but it is clearly evident that they know what they are doing, even though this work is hard. What builders will not come up with to simplify and facilitate their work, but these workers know exactly how to work in a team and help each other in construction. Why use heavy machinery when hammering a post when it's already good at coping with it? Not everyone will be able to mark the football field correctly, but this worker was born with a brush in his hand and accurately performs all actions. When you look at this tractor, the question arises not how to get it out, but how it got there and where this place is. This guy makes carpets out of cut car tires and other unnecessary rubber, and it turns out such a beauty. In any construction, the main thing is to ideally pour a smooth foundation, and this responsible work takes a lot of time and requires great skills. If you want to have a perfect parquet, then you need to hire these workers who have their own technology for applying parquet glue. Have you ever seen how wooden logs bend? At first glance it seems that this is impossible, but these guys are masters and have been doing this for years. The new technology of installing pillars using special construction foam is much better and more resistant to wear. This engineering genius has made a glowing epoxy table with touch sensors that light up when you touch it and looks like magic. Every spring, road services seal up the road from cracks that form after the coating freezes, and thanks to this method, there are practically no defects left. The original way of cleaning the road with the help of an excavator and a car tire was invented by American workers and applied it in action. When you are bored and have nothing to do, you can come up with entertainment for yourself, even without leaving the cab of your little bulldozer, and have fun. Not only a bender from the Futurama cartoon can bend the armature, but also an ordinary worker with a special tool. To make a clay vat manually according to ancient traditions, it is necessary to have the skills of these masters. Thanks to these workers who save the environment from oil pollution and other man-made disasters. It's nice to watch when you see how efficiently and carefully the master does his work without being distracted by other events. Thank you for watching to the end. We are waiting for you in the next issues. Subscribe and put a notification so that you don't miss anything.